Robert Vogel, and I'm the IPSC and IDPA World Champion. This is the Gerber Covert. This is a perfectly balanced, fully automatic knife. Features a spring-loaded auto release. Has a 50-50 blade here that's half serrated with S30V steel. A nice lightweight knife that's just great to have when I'm out on the range shooting. Any number of uses, cutting out cardboard targets, pulling the staples out of boards, strings and ropes on props, even actually as a gunsmithing tool now and then. The safety mechanism here is very easy to use. The knife is very slim with rounded edges, which makes it great for concealed carry. Nice little belt clip here, fits right in one of your pockets on either side. I especially like this knife because of the quick, rapid deployment. This is an extremely durable and reliable knife that I carry as a backup everywhere I go. I'm Robert Vogel, and this is the Gerber Covert Auto.
Panteo.